Oven rack placement is important to get the best results when baking. Use a lower center rack for bread, casserole, roasting vegetables, or browning the bottom of pizza crust. If you're roasting a turkey or a large cut of meat, use a lower rack that puts the top near the middle of the oven for even baking. To brown the bottom of a pie, start baking it on a preheated cookie sheet on the bottom rack. After 20 minutes, remove the cookie sheet and move the pie to the center rack for the rest of the bake time. Bake cookies, cakes, pies, muffins, and biscuits on one of the center racks. For 2 cake layers on the same rack, leave 2 to 4 inches of space around the pans. The spacing helps the cake layers bake evenly. Use one of the top rack positions when broiling or toasting. The closer food gets to the broiling element, the faster it cooks. To bake 2 pans of cookies at once, position the racks directly above and below the center position to allow for air circulation. Also, offset the cookie sheet positions on the racks. Rotate the pans halfway through for even baking. You might need to add a few minutes to baking time when using 2 racks. To bake 4 cake layers, use the same rack positions as when baking 2 pans of cookies. For the best air circulation, make sure none of the individual cake pans is directly above another pan. Always arrange oven racks when the oven is cool. Preheat the oven properly. Most ovens need at least 20 minutes to reach and maintain the temperature you set. Reduce oven temperature by 25 degrees when using dark or non-stick pans. Finally, don't peek. Opening the oven door throws off the recipe time. Look through the oven window instead.